Hey guys, I'm Charles and today I'm going to show you how to install a door. So this room is the office quarters. For this part of the install, all that's left is running the crown molding that would go along the top of this and putting the doors and hardware on after it's painted. All of the drawers that C&W supplies have a soft close so you don't pinch your fingers when you shut them. This building has a few options for storage. We have our file cabinet drawers down here. We have our see-through cabinets with adjustable shelves. And then we have an open bookshelf with adjustable shelves. And then behind me is what our inset doors will look like without the glass behind it. In the study, what we've done is a web over drywall look with just 1x applied over top of the drywall to give it a wainscoting. The study also has a coffered ceiling in it with 5 1/4 CCR crown molding. Right now we're located in the master bathroom and we've given the tub area a wainscoting look. With 1x bed mold and a plywood back to give it a bumped out column look. So now we're in the master bedroom and what we're going to show you is the truss beams. These are truss beams. We have 5 pieces in them. The kingpin and the radius come out of our shop, and then the rake pieces are made out in the field and fit perfectly with the ceiling. This is just a little bit of the things that C&W can do to dress up your house.